Mu kibiina ki NRM katuuzizza olukuŋŋaana lwa bannamawulire mwe kayise okutegeeza bannakibiina kino abeegwanyiza ebifo okuli eky'omukubiriza wa palamenti ey'e12 wamu n'omumyuka we Okussaayo Okusaba kwabwe awamu n'ebiwandiiko byonna ebikwatagana n'okuvuganya.
The 12th Parliament of the NRM who wish to contest for position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the 12th Parliament must abide and follow this roadmap. 1. All eligible members are invited to express their interest to contest for the position of Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Parliament beginning today up to 7 p.m. And this expression of interest will continue up to 23rd May. That's tomorrow, Saturday, at 3 p.m.
Ssentebe w'akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda mu NRM Dr Tanga Odoi ategeezezza nti ku Sunday nga 24 omwezi guno akakiiko k'ekibiina ak'okuntikko kaakutuula okusalawo ku banaateekamu okusaba kwabwe abagenda okukwasibwa kkaadi z'ekibiina.
The Executive Committee shall discuss the names that the Electoral Commission will forward to them on Sunday, the 24th at 9 a.m. The members of the NRM caucus shall convene on the 24th May 2024 at 2 p.m. at State House Entebbe to receive the names recommended by SEC, because elections for Speaker will take place on Monday the 25th.
Ono kyokka alaze nti omuntu yenna eyeesimbyewo takkirizibwa kuwenja kalulu, takkirizibwa kugula balonzi oba okwogera ebigambo ebirumba abo bavuganya nabo.
Or canvassing for votes. SEC has with immediate effect stopped any person who wants to be a speaker or deputy speaker from campaigning. Whatever kind of campaign, if you are good campaigning and there's the videos or recordings to your campaign, you will be disqualified. No campaigning to be a speaker. Number 2, bribery is forbidden. No paying people. No paying anyone any money. Even here, expression of interest, we have no money to pay. They are not going to pay money to express interest. It has been removed. Procuring ineligible persons to vote. If we go to Entebbe and you get people who are not supposed to be voters to vote for you, you will be crossed off. Say you bring independents who should be observers to vote for you, you will be disqualified. Publication of false statement about others. If you, for example, go and talk about someone that person is sick, that person died, that person withdrew without proof, you will be disqualified.
Odoi era akakasizza nti SEC nga lwe lukiiko olw'ekibiina olufuzi olw'okuntikko terunnaba kuwa muntu yenna mukisa oba okumulaganga gwe bawagira ku kifo kya sipiika palamenti ey'omulundi gwe-12.
Has not endorsed anybody for speaker and deputy speaker. That's why we are calling for expression of interest. SEC withdrew, actually rescinded the decision it had made earlier about Right Honourable Anita Mong and Tayebwa as the names to be forwarded to caucus on grounds that the Right Honourable Anita Mong has written to SEC and the chairman of SEC saying she has withdrawn, she has no interest to run for Speaker.
Nsonga ya ssenkaggale wa DP Norbert Mao azaalaganga bw'asuubira NRM okumuwagira ku kifo kya sipiika wa palamenti. Tanga ategeezezza nti ono takkirizibwa kussaayo kusaba kwe mu kibiina kino okuva lwekiri nti si munnakibiina.
Honourable Mao is the President General of DP. It does not belong to NRM. So even by the regulation I've read that voters like candidates must be members of NRM. He does not qualify.
Ono bw'abuuziddwa ku byayogerwa ssaabawandiisi w'ekisinde ki PLU David Kabanda ku kabaga e Mukono mu maka g'abadde minisita w'ebyokwerinda Jacob Oboth nti yali alondeddwa okubeera sipiika wa palamenti y'e12 ategeezezza nti ebyo si bitongole bya kibiina ki NRM.
Celebrating in Mukono were a result of excitement. by other political players. But the NRM now as a party, through the NRM Electoral Commission, using the rules and regulations of the caucus, is now calling for expression of interest.
Bagahe Mary Rose yakusakidde eggulire lino ku KTV amalindirire.